Good evening, Hobby Mounts friends. Shane Solomon live on the Hobby Mounts Facebook page. This evening, it's Christmas, it's December, so I thought I'd get in the festive spirit, get the old jumper on. So Shane Solomon here from the Cornwall channel. Always a pleasure to host the winner of the last month's competition. I'm just holding this drone here. Mr. Spinks will get a shot of it. Because last month's question was, of course, what is the latest DJI Mavic drone? And the answer was the DJI Mavic 2 Enterprise, which is this drone here. So used by the emergency services, search and rescue. It's got a speaker on there. You can get the lights on there. You can get the beacon on there. This is all going on the new DJI Mavic 2 Enterprise. Quite impressive. But tonight it's all about finding out who has won the £3,000 to spend here at Hobby Mounts. And may I just say, come in with me over here, Mr. Spinks, that the guys here at Hobby Mounts have got these actually in stock. Now, we have one of these at the Cornwall channel. We were very lucky to get our hands on one, but they do have the very sought after Ronin S in stock here, along with the Osmo Mobile 2, which we're filming on tonight. Mr. Spinks is using that. And that is available at an extended Black Friday deal of £109. What? 109 quid. That is ridiculous. Right, let me have a look. We're going to reveal the winner any minute now as I log on to the live. There's about 100 of you already logging on. Let's have a look. Who's watching here tonight? So we've got Douglas, John Senior, Kieran Hanlon, Dan Holman. Good to see you, Dan. Adam, Spinley. Lots of you jumping on. Osmo Mobile 2 is fantastic, says Ben Schofield. Hi, says Christopher Fry. Right, before I reveal the winner, I need to tell you, because it's Christmas, Paul and Beth have pulled out the stops. Guess what? For Christmas, the competition is still £2 a month for this month's competition, but you can win, wait for it, £3,000 to spend here at Hobby Mounts. Plus, there is a plus a PFCO course worth £1,140. Drop mic from our good friends at UAV Academy. Thanks for that, guys. Amazing. So really over £4,000 is up for grabs in the next competition. But you're here tonight to find out the winner of the competition. I'll be ringing the winner very shortly. But first of all, because of the shares, we have 3 Tello drones for you runners-up tonight, and the runners-up are Joshua Drew from Bedford, congratulations to you, Taylor Allbutt, East Croydon, and Brendan Bowie from Sutton in Ashfield. So well done to all 3 of you. You will be contacted by Paul or Beth to sort out your Tello drone. Now, don't forget, when I ring the winner in just a minute, if you win, you have £3,000 to spend here on anything you like at Hobby Mounts. And just think about that for a moment. You could buy like 5 Tello drones and still have £2.5 grand to spend. Absolutely amazing. So before I reveal the winner, and I always love this bit, I was down at Parr Market this week, which is a local market, and a chap says to me, I watch your lives every month with Hobby Mounts, waiting for you to ring me. So hopefully it might be you tonight. This month's question though, to win £3,000 to spend here at Hobby Mounts, plus the PFCO course worth £1,140, thanks to our good friends at UAV Academy. The question is this: which new DJI Osmo product has just been announced? Is it the DJI Osmo Mobile 2? Is it the DJI Osmo Pro? Or is it the DJI Osmo Pocket? That's the question. So straight after this tonight, you can go over to the website, hobbymounts.co.uk, and enter. It's still only £2 a ticket. Right, let's have a look. I'm about to reveal the winner. Let's have a look on here. 143 of you watching. This is amazing. A big shout out to Johnny Hawkins who's watching. And Johnny Hawkins, good to see you. I have mentioned to Paul and Beth that you tried ringing this morning and spoke to them, and they said they're going to speak to you tomorrow about the purchases. But anyway, this is it. Woohoo, Parr Market. Parr Market is the place to be. Don't diss the market down at Parr. Absolutely amazing. So here we are then. Gold envelope. And whilst Johnny Hawkins is on the live with this many people watching, a big shout out to Hawkins Motor Group, who are big supporters of the Cornwall channel, just like Hobby Mounts. So thank you. Right, here we are then. The winner of the £3,000 to spend here at Hobby Mounts is in this envelope. So I'm going to pull out the name. I've got the phone here. So if you bought a ticket, I'm hoping I ring you. Good luck. Here we go. Ooh, I'm keeping this out of the sight so you don't see it. So pick up the phone. Outside line. Here we go, people. Share it, like it, love it. This is so exciting every time. Are they sat by the phone? Is it going to be you who wins the 3,000? Don't forget, you can enter next month if it's not you this time. Do they pick up? Keep your comments coming in. Thank you for letting me win the time. Oh, good evening. Is that Duncan?
It is, yeah.
Duncan, it's Shane Solomon here on behalf of Hobby Mounts. How are you this evening?
I'm very good and a little bit excited.
Well, you should be, because you have just won £3,000 to spend at Hobby Mounts.
Yeah. It's a joke.
No, it's not a joke. It really is not a joke. Are you watching the live stream?
No, I'm not. I'm lucky I'm not on it, so I'm in my pyjamas.
Oh, right. Oh, fair enough. That's all right. No worries. That's okay.
Oh, my good grief.
Yes.
You joke. Oh, my word.
So, have you got any ideas what you're going to spend £3,000 worth on at Hobby Mounts?
No. If you've got the new... have you got... It's maybe the new little Osmo, maybe.
Yeah.
You have the... I don't know if you've got the DJI... I've gone blank now. The gimbal for DSLR.
Yes, that's the Ronin S.
Yeah, the Ronin S. So I was thinking about that for my filmmaking. That would be awesome.
That's an amazing bit of kit. Absolutely amazing bit of kit. Well,
This is incredible. It's not Duncan yet. That's brilliant. I want a pink tracksuit bottom.
so is this the first month you've entered the competition?
Which I tried flogging to my mum. She wasn't very happy about when I was about 10 years old.
Is this the first month you've played the competition, or have you played before?
No, I play most months.
There you go.
And it's only a last minute thing. This was only a few days ago.
Absolutely amazing. Well, you have won it, and I tell by the sheet here you're actually from Cornwall yourself. You're in Helston, is that correct?
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, I'm Cornish professional drone pilot. So this stuff will be very, very handy. That's incredible. That's amazing.
Well, there you go. Well, it's worth. You've got to be in it to win it. You have played before, and it's great fun. And I know the guys here at Hobby Mounts really appreciate it, and it's building up a great community with these competitions. So wish you all the very best with it. And hey, get in contact with us at the Cornwall channel. If you're making films, we might be able to put them on Sky TV and things. So keep in touch with us as well.
That's very kind. I've got to say, Hobby Mounts provide an excellent service, and I'm reading this from the script you sent out.
Yes, of course.
They do. They're first rate and really helpful. And so, oh wow, that is brilliant. Oh, crikey.
Well, Duncan, Duncan Scobie, you
are... I better get back to my fish finger sandwich.
Indeed, well, celebrate. Put some sauce on it, will you?
Yeah, I think I might live dangerously now.
Do it. Absolutely fantastic. Well, a pleasure speaking to you, Duncan. Very well done. And, enjoy your spend.
Well, thank you, Hobby Mounts.
No worries. All the best. Cheers now. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Well, Duncan's over the moon. He is over the moon. So there we go. The winner of last month's competition was Duncan Scobie from Helston, who's won £3,000. Now, don't forget, it's not over. Thankfully, the guys here at Hobby Mounts have decided they're going to run it again. And this time, it's £3,000 to spend here at Hobby Mounts, plus a PFCO course worth £1,140 from our good friends at UAV Academy. So an amazing prize. So you can start entering that from now. And you heard Duncan there. This is not the first time he's entered. He's played most months and he's finally won. So hopefully next time it will be you. So that's it really from me and Mr. Spinks here tonight at Hobby Mounts. It's been a pleasure this year to get involved with the competition here at Hobby Mounts. They're a huge supporter of the Cornwall channel. We're really grateful to Paul and Beth for all they do for us throughout the year. So it's only a pleasure to come up here and do this and connect with you guys. So Anthony Bridgewood has just said 3K or 3.5K. Anthony, it's 3,000 plus the PFCO course, which is worth 1,140. So in effect, it's over £4,000 worth in total prize money for next month. But that's made out of 3,000 to spend in store, online or here, and then the £1,140 worth of PFCO course with our friends at UAV Academy. So that is it. Thank you very much indeed for watching. I've been Shane Solomon. You guys have been the Hobby Mounts fans. Keep living the dream, fly safe, and have an awesome Christmas.